ChatGPT is truly a productivity game changer, transforming industries from content creation to coding. Imagine automating mundane tasks and enhancing efficiency with an AI powered assistant at your fingertips. In everyday life, ChatGPT can craft emails, generate ideas, and summarize research papers, making it an invaluable tool. Mastering the art of prompting is key to unlocking its full potential. Learn to ask the right questions and watch creativity flourish in writing stories, poems, or even music. Integrating ChatGPT into your workflow can streamline tasks and manage projects with ease. But it's not just about the basics. Understanding its limitations is crucial. Critical thinking and fact-checking are essential to navigate potential biases. Fine-tuning ChatGPT for specific tasks can maximize its relevance, while exploring advanced features like plugins and API integration can elevate your experience. Real-world applications are already showcasing its impact, with businesses in marketing, customer service, and education reaping the benefits. As we look to the future, embracing ChatGPT can give you a competitive edge in a rapidly evolving job market, shaping the skills needed in an AI-driven world. Embrace its potential for personal and professional growth.